Hi YouTube family, Paul here, Paul Phillips Fix. Excuse me, let me clean this lens. Sorry about that. I redid the valve covers and sealed the rebreather chambers on the 2001 Mercedes E430. That's with the M113 engine in it. So maybe it's about 5 months ago that I did that job. And then I started smelling some oil burning. Some of the old oil was burning off because this was leaking like a sieve, but it didn't go away. So I noticed a new oil leak. I'm gonna see if I can get a light in here where you guys can see this down into that mirror. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's kind of a tight squeeze here. I don't know if you can see down in there to that mirror. Try to get it for you, but you could see that valve cover gasket is leaking. I went with authentic Mercedes-Benz gaskets because they're better quality than the aftermarket. A lot of them, there's a better view of it if you can see that mirror, but it's dripping down on my exhaust manifold. What I did, I went in there with an E10 socket on a torque wrench. The torque spec is 6 foot-pounds. Mine is in inch-pounds, 1/4-inch drive with a 3/8 adapter on it. So I just tightened them back up to 72 inch-pounds, and I'm gonna see if that stops the leak. If that doesn't do it, then I'm gonna have to pull that valve cover off and check that gasket if it went on incorrectly. That could be possible. I'm gonna clean it up with some brake fluid now. Brake fluid cleaner. Brake parts cleaner, I mean. Brake fluid cleaner. Excuse me. My head is scrambled. I just gave all of them just a little bit more of a turn on them. You got to be careful not to over tighten these because that's aluminum. It's soft. You will strip that thread out. So I'm going to get some brake parts cleaner and spray that down and see if that leak stops. That's where you get a common leak on these engines, guys. And the rebreather chambers. You have to buy, I would recommend buying the Mercedes sealant. My chambers are not leaking since I resealed them. I also had a leak on my filler assembly here. I had to take that apart and seal that. There's not a gasket you can buy for that. I did that with that sealant that the Mercedes-Benz dealer sold. All right, guys, I hope this helps somebody. If you're burning oil, check your valve cover gaskets. Get down there with a flashlight and a little mirror, and you might find where your leak's coming from. Could be worse, right? Could be a main engine seal. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make my channel grow. I'm trying to help people out here. I would definitely appreciate your support. I broke the 200 mark. Now I'm looking to break the 300 subscriber mark. You can also find me on Patreon, Facebook, Instagram. I think on Twitter, I'm under Paul Phillips Fix at limitless.com. Okay, guys, take care. You have a good day. Take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. And I'm sorry about all the noise in the background. It's National Grid cutting trees down from the power lines. Take care, guys. Be well. Bye-bye. Sorry, I forgot to tell you how to remove the air box. You just take those 2 clips off that connect to the mass airflow sensor, your intake scoop, and then your air box just lifts right out to give you room to get in there. All right, real simple. No tools needed on that one. All you need is a E-Torx, the reversed E-Torx, and your torque wrench. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.